Go.
From
Topang Iligan Branch, happy birthday, Ma'am Cynthia! We wish you all the best! Hello, Ma'am. Good morning. We hope you will have an active and happy retirement, but of course, we know that you will be busy taking care of your family. And we hope to see you every month or every week in Callback, as we wish you all the best and we pray for your more success, and you will be able to share your talent, your resources, and your legacy to the people who admires you and to the people who look up to you. Happy birthday and wish you all the best.
Susunod.
Hi, Ma'am Sings. Happy birthday. Wala mang yun kaya na natuban, pero pasalamat yapon ko kay imo kong di-hire.
Yay!
Sunod na yan si Matt.
Sino?
Hi, Ma'am Sins. Ngayon ta, Ma'am Sins, pag mo retire na ka, mag-load ka sa Sins na.
Mag-deposit ka, deposit.
Oo, savings.
Time.
Mag-time po din.
Okay. Matt? Harvey?
Hello, Ma'am Sins. Wish lang na mo na padayon ka malipayon sa imong kinabuhi.
Okay. Next.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Saints. We salute you for all the love and effort that you put to our family. We wish you all the best. Our wishes our wishes, best wishes come and go with you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Saints, and thanks for all the help that a CBM employee capacity and capacity will get from you. I know you're looking forward for your retirement, and I hope that God will shower you more wonderful blessings. Happy birthday!
Again.
Happy
birthday, Ma'am Cynthia!